push. Good job. It's like slipping. Confused. No.
The other exercise that you have to do is this one. So you go down here, and this is called elbow clock. So reminds of a clock. You put your arm there, you go down, and then you come up. You do it 3 times, tap, and then you switch. 1, 2, 3. Then you switch. You switch the arm, and you go down. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Then you switch again. You find yourself in this position. You put your arms like this, and you go down. 1, 2, 3. And then the last one will be like this. Okay? And 1, 2, and 3. Okay? This exercise is called chinchilla. You know the animal? Chinchilla? Running like a normal rabbit or whatever. And at a certain point, in order to avoid the attack of the eagle, you know the eagle's like this, he goes like, okay? So he has this tri-dimensional jump, they call it, that for us is tic-tac, okay? Super easy. But they go like crazy in order to make the eagles confused, because they can just go like this, they cannot do turn at the very end. We are running around like super slowly at the beginning, and my partner will call for me a change, a turn, whatever. You can say change, turn. So they went fucking crazy. Everyone.
So it's like parkour wrestling.
Look. Yeah. You see everything. Like, because I say to them, go and do everything you have to do in order to not making. They are close friends, by the way. And
Pinkit esiin.
Please listen to that photographer.
Pinkit esiin. Oo sä tykkejä. Vamos. Hyvä. Otanko vielä? 2, 1. Joo, hyvä. Yes. Wow. Yes. Oh. I felt like I Oh. Baby steps.
En mä osaa tätä enää.
Oi oi. No ne. Joksikin meni. Hyvinkin. Yes.
This? I see.
Nonni.